Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate extra dimmers on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel, and yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here of course you just have to open the settings, and now in the settings page, scroll it down until we'll find the accessibility options. Tap on it. And after here at the bottom, we'll see the extra dim options. To activate it, you just have to tap on the button beside it, and it will be more dimmers than the minimum brightness from your phone, yeah guys. And to save it, you just have to go back like this. And after here, you can also set to your dimmers. Tap on these extra dimmers and then shifting on this button, which is intensity. You just have to shifting like this to set the more dimmers. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.